Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It is Thursday, and we're going to start following Kathy to see what sold for us today.
Good morning, friends. Still got a froggy voice.
Yeah.
But
I think tomorrow's the day.
we'll see.
And tomorrow's the day it'll start going away.
My voice always lasts longer than yours does.
Oh,
Like longer froggy.
longer froggy. You got the longer froggy?
All right. First thing that sold today was these. They're like Crocs, but they're like kind of stretchy on the top. They're called the Busy Day Stretch, I guess. But yeah, these sold for $27.55 plus shipping. Is my hair okay? I thought it for a second it was like this. So that's how it felt. Anyhow.
Yeah, her hair's always static. Yeah, I've always, we've been looking into, because of our froggy throats and stuff, looking at maybe getting, a humidifier. Yeah. And supposedly that helps with static hair, too. So that's new to me. I didn't know that.
Our voice, we just wake up so dry.
Yeah. So we're looking at getting some, if there's anybody out there with a recommendation, humidifier and an air purifier. Yeah. Because we do get a lot of particles and dust and stuff.
Yeah. Try that out.
Sorry, that's a random cut through the video, but yeah.
So back to the Crocs that sold. These sold for $27.55 plus shipping. I did have $7.99 into them. All right, those are under a pound, so they're just shipping out in a mailer. Actually, because it's almost Valentine's. Let's finish off our Valentine's mailers.
Yeah, it's the 10th today, right?
Yeah. I saw that Shipping Hip should be re-releasing that print in the next couple weeks, as well as a new print.
Okay.
So, excited for that. They haven't shared the new print, so I haven't seen it either.
Yeah. Go follow Shipping Hip on Instagram for the quickest news when that comes out.
All right. I finally sold these. So these, if these were in better shape, these would be like $100 sale at least, I would say. They were already in rough shape, even on the outside a little bit. And then on the inside, I missed that the ankles have rips in them, like the inner ankles. So I just took photos as best as I could and disclosed all the damage. And they sold for $40 plus shipping, so I'm not mad about that.
Yeah.
I did pay $12.99 for them though, so it's still about a $20 profit.
Okay.
Not as good as a $100 sale, but I'll take it.
Right.
So yeah, those are shipping UPS, so I'll grab a brown box from our closet. And then our next sale is a viewer sale going out to Kendra. She bought a bundle from me.
I'm not stepping on your Reese Bear. Oh, you want a tummy rub? Is that what you want? Yeah, we're having a live tonight, and I'm going to try to figure out a Reese cam. So
he was doing some funny stuff last week that you guys could not see.
Yeah, so I think it'd be fun to have him on camera along with us, and we will still be doing our live, even though we've got our froggy throats, but...
Should we put cameras on our sleeping children? That's creepy.
No. But yeah,
I wonder if they just sleep, if kids are actually asleep or if they're in their room just messing around or something.
Yeah, I think one of our kids sleeps deeply and the other one is jumping around, bouncing off the walls. Yeah.
Were you about to say something?
I can't remember.
Okay. So Kendra bought this bundle from me on Kidswear. It's a LuLaRoe shirt. This one I had $3 into. It's Nightmare Before Christmas, and then these two are both Peak Kids. So these are my son's shirts, and Kendra buys from us all the time. So she put these in her cart, and I offered them to her for $30, free shipping. These are all really lightweight shirts, so I was able to ship at the 12-ounce rate of $5.15 through Kidswear. So thank you, Kendra. Congrats on quitting your job.
Yeah, I was going to say.
That's not a secret anymore since you announced it on your Instagram. So yeah, congratulations on being a
full-time reseller now, right?
I don't know if she might get another job.
Oh, I see.
But full-time reseller for now, for sure.
No longer, she was a mail carrier, right?
She was a postal worker.
Postal worker. Kendra, thank you so much for that support. We do appreciate it. And yes, good luck.
Whatever you choose to do, I think you could definitely do full-time reselling.
Yeah, I think today, or right now is probably the best time to change careers and stuff like that. Yeah. If you're in the mood of doing that, right?
Yeah.
I can't think of another time that we've been alive where
where I would be like willing
You
to
could
quit a
basically
legit
demand,
job.
there's a lot of job opportunity out there and high paying ones. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
So, another random tidbit. All right, another Kidizen sale. This is a bundle of Riley and Crew items. Both I bought for my kids. Both they did not wear, and I think I'm losing $3 to $4, but that's okay because I got most of my money back. This bundle sold for $94.40 with free shipping. This is a swim set, so it's a rash guard and a bottom, and then this is just a t-shirt. But Riley and Crew is a very expensive kids clothing brand. Like this swim set's technically like $100 brand new, and it is brand new. But I just bought it off Kidizen for about $57, and the t-shirt I bought on clearance for like 20 something. So after shipping and Kidizen fee, I'm making back just under what I paid for them. So happy to make that back. Hopefully the person getting them loves them. I love them. I just, this was not a good color on our kids, and this was too white, and I was just like, he's going to ruin it, so I'll just sell it while it's still new.
Our kids love to ruin white clothes.
Yeah. All right.
I think most kids probably do that.
They're getting worse as they get older, honestly. You'd think the babies would be the worst, but no. All right. These Nike shoes sold for $31.11 plus shipping, and I had $6.99 into those. And these are some super lightweight Nike, so those actually are shipping first class in a polymer as well. All right, we do have another viewer sale bundle, Bucks AL. And CT. Pair of jeans. All right, this bundle's going out to Cassie. She grabbed a Columbia PFG t-shirt. This was a retail arbitrage find for $5. And then a pair of Hudson jeans. These were online arbitrage find for $5. The funny thing about these jeans is I actually bought them from another viewer, not knowing that it was.
Oh.
I bought them off Facebook Marketplace when they were running the free ship promo. They were just $5, and I got free shipping. So,
and they just happened to be a viewer.
I wrote the name down that it was Alyssa. So, Alyssa,
Awesome.
Thanks for selling me these for $5. Then I sold them to Cassie she offered me $50 for the bundle. So,
okay.
Thank you so much, Cassie, and thanks for Alyssa for selling something on Facebook.
Cassie, thank you so much for the support, and
So
thanks for watching, Alyssa.
Yeah, that was just funny. She wrote me a note with the purchase. So. This I just picked up at the bins last week. I didn't really know what it was. I mean, I figured it was something to warm your hands with. It's like, the brand is Hunt's Horse. It looks like a fanny pack that you like put your hands into. So, anyways, it was camo. It looked like it was in good shape. It was at the bin, so it was only $1.01 is what I paid. And it sold for $15.98 plus ship. So I had no idea what it was, but I knew it was worth more than $1.
Yeah.
And I took a chance, and it sold fast. So
hunting hand warmer. It's got that hunting orange. It's weird because the camera is not really picking up the color that it really is. It's showing it more yellow. It is a very bright orange, like hunting reflective orange. So
yeah. And that will just ship in a poly mailer. All right, this was kind of a sad sale because when I bought this over a year ago, I was like so sure it was gonna sell fast and for like $50, but it didn't. I'm pretty sure this is it. Yeah. I'll triple check before I send it, but it's the brand Steel. So similar to like Patagonia, those kinds of outdoorsy, nice jacket brands. It's less common though. Yeah, I can see the Steel right here. So it's less common. It's very expensive and it's really nice quality. I've only sold it a couple other times and it usually sells quickly, but this did not. I think because it's a men's small maybe. Picked this up at Plato's Closet for $9 and I finally accepted an offer of $25, so I'm still making about an $11 profit, but took way too long. And yeah, like this is probably a close to $200 jacket new, so to only get 25 and it's in like perfect shape is sad. But
so you're not saying it's because like Stio is not a good brand to pick up?
no,
I think it's just the size, maybe.
I picked that same jacket up again, even though it took that long to sell.
Okay.
I don't know. I mean, I don't think it was cross posted all the way, like on all the platforms we use.
Oh, I see.
I think it was just like before we were in a routine.
Right.
Probably never got cross posted. I never relisted it or anything. So.
That happens every once in a while, right? Where something that you should sell, you know, the comps are there, the sell-through rate's there. It's just, for some reason, it doesn't.
Like, when the offer came in, I was like, no, that's not good enough. But then I'm like, I need to accept I've had it so long. But in my head, I'm like, I'll just relist it. I'll cross-post it.
Yeah.
But at this point, just take
let
the
it go
money and buy something else.
Yeah.
If it was a men's XL, I definitely would have done that. But a men's small, that is just a harder sale all around.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is another viewer sale going out to Trisha. These are a pair of women's Under Armour pants. I actually picked them up the same day as that camo thingy so at the bins $1 into them, and I sent her an offer of 15 plus ship on eBay. So thank you, Trisha.
Awesome, Trisha. Thank you so much for that support.
And we'll do Valentine's mailer. All right, last sale, AM. These are some Keen women's sneakers. I have a high cost of goods, $12.87 into these. They sold for $47 with discount shipping, so still really good sale. And those will go in a regional B box.
Yeah, we did get the question about regional A's and B's. We use those almost exclusively for Poshmark.
Yeah. I mean, I've done an A maybe a few times on eBay where it's a small item, just heavier, and I don't know, because I feel like if it fits in an A, it usually fits in a padded flat rate. I don't know. So
I'm sure there are situations if you're maybe like on a coastal state.
Yeah.
You know, we live in Colorado, so it just doesn't really seem to work for us.
And the B's are really
in the normal way, right?
Every time I check, so like usually I can send 5 pounds any direction for less than using a regional B on eBay. So,
but with Poshmark, you can use the regionals, you can use the flat rates and all that stuff, and it's the same. You don't have to pay any extra. So we have different sizes so that it just, you know, minimizes the empty space in the box. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get that stuff all packed up. Reese, you just gonna sit there and be you, okay? We'll be right back. Who's a good boy?
Not Reese.
We did get them all packed up, and we had one more sale come through. He's like, leave me alone. I want to sleep.
All right, box B. Sold these Bionic slippers for $32 plus shipping. I had $5.99 into those. And they're just going to ship out in the shoebox. Because the person lives in Oklahoma, so it's about the same price. It's 4 cents more than a padded flat rate.
Right.
I think I could probably squeeze them in, but it would be tight.
For 4 cents, might as well have a box, right? So that's what's going out today.
Yeah, pretty good day.
I did mention a little bit earlier, we are having a live tonight, which this video is obviously going up after that, but hopefully you guys were able to make it. And yeah, we are going to be doing lives every Thursday night, Colorado or Mountain Time at 8 p.m. So if that's a time you're available, we would love to see you guys there every Thursday night. And yeah, we're going to get this stuff off to the post office. I think we have something going to UPS, and our kids gotta go pick up our kids from school, and I think what are we gonna measure some clothes and stuff right now?
Yeah, just go for it.
I've been doing some flooring all morning, so I've kind of messed up our routine up here, but we're gonna get some stuff measured and all that kind of stuff. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for the viewer support today. We do greatly appreciate that, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye.